What's good, everybody? This is your girl, Bella J, and it is day 6 of the 30-day sewing challenge. Yes, thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see what we're going to create, because this is really awesome, then stay tuned. So I'm going to bring the camera down so you can see what I have in mind. Right here we have my 12 by 17 flat cutting mats. We have my 6 by 12 grid right here. And this is where the idea is coming from. And the inspiration came from Whitney Sews. If you don't know who she is, she's a YouTuber who sews and quilts and does some amazing stuff. You need to check her out. So I want to do it angled. So I'm going to give you an idea of what I have in mind. Where's my first piece? Because I saw that earlier. I tell you. Look at these are all the scraps. I've already cut it. They're not exact, but they're perfect for me. So we're going to start off with this bluish. I want to put it right here on the corner. You see this right here? And then after that, I want to add another piece. So I want you to get the idea of what it is. Right here in the angle. Right? Then we're going to keep angling all the way. So just to give you an idea, it's still going to go all the way. We're going to make it as big as possible, and then we're going to take this template, put it on it, and cut it in the 6 by 12. So let's get this going, shall we? You can, if you want to stop this video and cut it. You want to kind of like get it from small to big, kind of like a volcano. That's the way I'm looking at it. It looks kind of volcanic. So I want to keep getting it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So I'm just going to sew this up and let's see where we go. And like I said, there's no fail. There's no, oh, I did wrong. Consider it a creative technique. Let's do this, okay? I have a pile of fabric right here. You wouldn't believe it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take a picture of it and include it at the end of this video so you can see what I'm dealing with. So in this sense, you see this? I can't be at the edge. I need to be smack in the middle. This is going to keep going bigger and bigger so we can get the exact weight. I'm going to show you, but right now, I just had to undo this. And now I'm going to re-sew it. Oh, yeah. Gotta love seam rippers. They're your best friends. stop right here and let's see what this looks like. Looks like a layered cake. So let's see how the grid looks on here, okay? I want it to be like this. You see it? So it can be, it's not perfect, but it's what I'm trying to achieve. So as much as you can get it on here, you see the edges? This is what's gonna come out, and this is what's gonna be the center. So that's what I'm trying to do. I want everything angled off. I don't want everything up and down. That's kind of boring. I want everything angled off. That's what I want. With that being said, let's tune in tomorrow for the rest of this because we have to add in about 2 to 3 more pieces right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to check out my Facebook like page and post your pictures there. Later.